30 million farmers in India rely heavily on diesel for their on-farm energy needs. Diesel pumps used for irrigation are highly expensive for farmers to use. They also have a huge carbon footprint, contributing to agriculture's 21% share in India's greenhouse gas emissions. The increasing input costs of farming and unpredictable weather conditions have made it tough for smallholder farmers to earn a decent living. Modern solar pumps have immense potential, but the high upfront cost of technology is a significant barrier to adoption. This keeps millions of farmers locked into low productivity and unsustainable practices.
अब गर्मी की खेती करने में परेशानी यही होती थी कि धूप लगता था और इंजन से पानी लाते थे, कभी जाते थे पेट्रोल पंप, वहाँ पेट्रोल पंप पर भी तेल नहीं मिलता था, फिर इंजन को उठा लाते थे अपने घर पर। दूसरे तीसरे दिन हमको जब डीजल मिलता था तब यहाँ से ले जाते थे, काफ़ी परेशानियाँ थी।
Enter Urja, a pioneer in sustainable agriculture and innovative farming solutions, offering irrigation, milling, and climate-smart farm advisory. Urja is transforming Indian agriculture.
What Urja does is we install, operate, and maintain decentralized solar pumps at the farm level. Using these pumps, we deliver affordable and reliable irrigation services to nearby smallholder farmers, using an innovative irrigation-as-a-service business model. How it works is farmers pay per use of the solar pumps at volumetric tariffs that are up to 60% cheaper than what they were previously spending on diesel. And under this model, there's absolutely no upfront cost charged to any farmer, meaning they can save money from the day they start using our service. Apart from irrigation services, we also provide our customers with climate-smart advisory services. We focus on 3 elements. 1, how to diversify their cropping systems to introduce new crops that could be lucrative for them. 2, what is the right quantity of inputs like pesticides and fertilizers that they should apply. And 3, agronomic techniques that they can use to adapt to climate change and strengthen their crop yields further.
हम लोग पहले गर्मी में खेती नहीं कर पा रहे थे और अब ऊर्जा हो गया है तो हम लोग गर्मी की खेती जो है गर्मी में खेती कर रहे हैं। और ये सोलर पंप से जब से लग गया है तब से इंजन चलाना बंद हो गया और पर्यावरण में सुरक्षा हुआ है और ये धुंध और धुआं का कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं है।
समय का 3,000-3,200 खर्चा आता था, इस समय हमारे पास खर्चा बस वही 1,500-1,800 की स्थिति रेशियो में हम जा रहे हैं। जब से ऊर्जा कंपनी हमारे पास आई है हमारे यहाँ, उस समय से और आज के डेट में लगभग मान के 10 बीघा हम ज़मीन और बढ़ा दिए हैं। आय में काफ़ी बढ़ोतरी हुई है। जैसे मान के चलिए बताने की पैदावार जैसे उस समय 2 कुंटल 2.5 कुंटल होता था और आज के युग में समझ लो 3-3.5 कुंटल 4 कुंटल बीघे तक पैदावार होती है।
With Urja coming into the picture, the lives of smallholder farmers have undergone a significant transformation for the better.
Climate change is already impacting India's farmers, threatening their productivity and livelihoods. Technology can help, but costs are often too high to be within reach of vulnerable farmers. Acumen invested in Urja because we saw huge potential in tackling this affordability challenge. Urja's pioneering farmer-as-a-service model can make solar technologies affordable and accessible for such farmers by democratizing access to energy and better livelihood opportunities, helping support some of the world's most vulnerable communities.
Urja's disruptive farming solutions are already used by over 30,000 people in northern India today. By the end of this decade, that is by 2030, we plan to deploy 10,000 agri-solar projects impacting over 1 million people. These projects would help avoid over 500,000 tons of CO2 emissions over their lifetimes. But apart from these significant climate benefits, we will do all of this by helping smallholder farmers to double their incomes and to improve their food security.
With Urja's innovative services, farmers are not just improving their livelihoods, but also paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable future.